Yeah, welcome to this session and welcome to Odisha Open University Sambalpur. This session is all about your submission of LMS, assignments in the LMS, and also how you will be submitting your assignments in the study centers. For this, I'm going to show, this is the Odisha University website, and I'm going to show you that the two submission details are already been circulated and it is been available in the website. So I'm just clicking here. This is for submission of assignment 1. Okay, I'm just clicking it here. You could see that the PDF circular is opening. Here it is very clearly written that this information for all concerned assignment department, question of first semester assignment, July 20 batch, and uploaded in the OSOU-LMS portal. Furthermore, the learners are advised to upload their assignment response through OSOU-LMS portal on or before 31st January and submit the hard copy of their same in the respective study center. So once you upload the assignments in the LMS portal, the hard copy can be submitted in the study center on or before 1st February 2026. So I think submission of hard copy and submission of OSOU-LMS portal is being mentioned very clearly. So please take this notification as the verdict. So no other changes, and I'll close this. And one more circular also been given for the extension date of assignment in the LMS portal. This I am clicking. You could see here. So in confirmation and continues the previous notification data, it modified that October 2024 and February admission batches in the LMS portal as well as for the submission of hard copy, the concerned study center has been extended till last date for assignment LMS portal 21st February and last date for hard copy 22nd February. So, and these are the new courses being introduced. For that also, there will be the requested to complete the submission strictly with stipulated period. All these things are being mentioned in the circular. Kindly go through the circular so that you don't have to panic or with a hurry-burry, you don't have to do anything wrong and while submitting in the LMS or in the study centers. So please, students, please be very clear on the dates. Accordingly, you can submit your assignments. So I'm now closing the circulars. Now, where to submit the assignment in the portal? That is a confusion happening in many students. I'll slowly scroll here. You can see here, there is something called OSOU-LMS Learning Management System. See, this web portal student login is different. That is for your admit card, all those details, you can take it from here. But right now, the university has introduced this OSOU-LMS Learning Management System. It is the purpose for learning management system is purpose for assignment submission. Your ESLM can be occupied. You can chat with your concerned department faculty members. You can also see your own colleagues in this portal. For all this purpose, this LMS has been given. So what we have to do is that for web portal, you will have a separate login ID. Okay. But for here in the LMS, if you have not received the LMS password and the details, once you click here, it will be coming here. The screen you can see here. There are, I'll just delete the earlier details so that you can visible here. See, in this OSOU-LMS management system, you have options. If you forgotten the mail or if your email ID is typed wrong when you are seeing in the student portal, or you might have changed the email in the SMS portal, but that will not be reflecting here. So what you have to do, just click here to retrieve your email. Say there is a button called retrieve email. If you click, it will go like this. Here you have to put your enrollment number. Your enrollment number starts with BAPS that 002501 like that. So you have to put your enrollment number and you click the retrieval email. Say for example, if I am going to put some enrollment number for you, some live enrollment number, if you can put and you can check it out. Say for example, if I'm going to put one enrollment number here, retrieve email. See, it is showing masked because the others should not go and misuse your email. So that is why the university is very careful it is showing that if you put the enrollment number, your email will be shown, the first 3 letters and last 2 letters of that, and what is your, whether it is Gmail or Yahoo, you understand this. So purpose of showing like this is that if you remember, this is the email ID I given to OSOU for this enrollment number. Okay, let me go and use that password retrieval. So now you know because enrollment number is mandatory, you know that, and enrollment number, now email ID, both I know. Now I have to go and check my password. What you have to do? Just come back. Here you see something called forgot password. Okay. If you don't know if you know the email ID and you don't know that what is the enrollment number, or enrollment number is there, the email ID associated with that enrollment number. If you want to do that, what you have to do? You can see here something called retrieve enrollment number. That is also possible. Say for example, if I am going to put some email ID here, what happens? Say I am putting one email ID. Please don't misuse this. This is for demo purpose. See, registration number it is showing. Like this, you can take your registration number associated with that particular email ID. Why this is, I am showing this. Many students might have forgotten their email ID which is associated with their enrollment number. So in that scenario, you can retrieve the email by putting the enrollment number if you know the enrollment number. If you don't know if you have forgotten, or if you have 2 enrollment numbers, because many students will be studying MA ODIA, MA English Literature, or they will be the student BA might have completed, but that time they might have not completed fully second year or third year, or they will be coming up with another program. Like that, you will have confusion with the existing enrollment number also, which email ID is associated with this enrollment number. For that purpose only, this retrieve enrollment number can also be done. So you have done all these things. Now you want the password to get inside. What you have to do? Very easy. Just click forget password, and then you know that email ID now. So you have to put the email ID, and you click send OTP, and OTP will be sent to your email. See, we have sent a verification code to your email. To this email, it has been sent. What you have to do? You take the OTP, put it here, and just verify OTP. Then it will give you one space to enter the password. Whatever password you want, remember your password. You can put that password and save it. So once you got that password details also, you can come back to this login page and see I'm entering one student email ID here, and then just password here. You can view that, and you can also close it if you want. Okay, this is for demo purpose. It is not going to work for this email ID. Don't worry. So if you just log in for this demo purpose, I am entering a different password also here. So if you are going to log in with that password correctly, then it is going to say that if you are putting a wrong password, it will say like that only. So you have to go and do the correct password for this login. Say now you say never, because if you save the password, if it is personal computer, it is okay. If you are saving like this in the internet center or any other friend house, this email ID will be misused by your friends. So always say, don't save, you put never, so that the password is not saved here. And you might have seen some notification from your faculty, notification from your admin, notification from your university. All this notification will be noted. You can say view later. You can click and see the notifications here. Whatever notification is given by that particular faculty, particular department, it will be showing here. Since this student is admitted to the MA ODIA semester 1, this first year, so July 2025, he is having this both classes. So here what you have to do is that, just go here. For this semester, he has to submit for SEM 1, MA ODIA first year SEM 1. What you have to do? POD 101, the subject name is showing here. Directly go and click on assignments button. See, now if I move the mouse, it will not be showing you. You have to go like this. Once the browser mouse goes like this, you will be able to see the assignments. This one e-content is also there. Later on, you can explore that. This is for assignment session. So I am just showing you how the assignment can be loaded. Now you have to click the assignment. See, I am clicking POD 101. What happened? Only that assignment will be shown. So there is no confusion of loading the assignment wrongly to some other subject. You understand, students? So you don't have to wrongly upload any assignments and later on ask us, because once if you upload the assignment, that is for final. Only after the faculty going and reviewing it, if they find if that the assignment is wrong or it is showing a different number, maybe they will ask you to resubmit it. That is after the submission time only. Don't worry about it, because even if you submit a wrong assignment, don't get panicking. If the faculty is going to evaluate that time, there is an option called resubmit. They will allow you to resubmit. Okay, so like that, if I am going to click each subject, say there is assignment, this wheel also can be accessed. Assignment, if you go to click dashboard again, you will see that MOD. I'm again clicking. Yeah, if you want, you can see POD 102. This is the second assignment paper. I'm clicking on that assignment. Now you see that assignment alone open. It is showing pending because you need to submit. Where the question files will be there, you can see in the attachment. Now you will see the posted date and due date and total marks. The total marks what you got here, that will be reflecting later. So don't worry about all these things. Now you have to click here. Click on the bar. Now the screen has opened big. Now you can see the professor was posted it, the posted date, due date, total marks, and this is the question paper. You see the PDF file. After assume that I am the student. Now I am opening that. I'm clicking download. It will be opening and saving in your local PC. Okay. So it is always better you access the system in the PC, or you can also access the system, the same email ID, password. All this process will also be got in the OSOU mobile app. That also I will show you in the end, where the mobile app can be downloaded. So I'm going to save it in my local system. See, in the downloads, I can see there is a download progress, the assignment file. So once it is downloaded, I can go and read the questions. So once it is done, I can open it. I think it is getting downloaded. So I have to wait patiently. Yes. Now you can see the MA ODI assignment, unit 1 to 8. All the questions you are able to see here. So after reading this, you're going to prepare the assignment, isn't it? Either you can type in Word or maybe in ODI. If you are handwritten, write in clearly and then take proper photograph of it, or take snaps or scan it, or properly you can take photo or scan it. And then what you have to do after doing that, if you consider that you open a Word file, you consider you have to open the Word file. You think that I am the one who is going to submit that assignment. I'm going to open this. I'm going to put that assignment title properly, and whatever the question format is as given, you have to follow. See, assignment title you have to properly put, and you have to insert the images. See, because you might have taken the photograph of it. So just insert it and save properly as PDF. See, there is an option called in the Word PDF, and then you go to the file name, assignment 1 POD. That relevant title, if you remember, you can give and then save it. So while saving it, you can save it in the local folder. You have to select that folder, go to the desktop, save it here. So I saved it as a PDF. Okay. So I'm going to close it. I'll say save it. So this is for dummy purpose I'm doing it. But you see to that your assignment PDF has been created, and that assignment file can be uploaded here. I'll show you how. So in the backend, this portal will be alive. You will not close it. Okay, be careful. If you close it in the in between, again you have to go and log in and you have to come here. You will not be knowing which assignment you have submitted and which assignment you have. Then you have to go and check each and so be careful. Don't close this tab. It will be alive. So here I'm going to type the assignment details. Say for example, assignment 1 POD ODIA. So something you can describe also, because I don't know, you can describe about the assignment which you have prepared, on what are the topics you have covered. Maybe this Prachya, these details also can be put here, so that it will be easy to understand what type of assignment you are going to do that. And now there are two options. One is you can upload the file directly. Say I have saved the assignment file. So what I'm going to do, say for example, I'm taking this assignment. This is a real assignment I have. If it is going to be file size about 10 MB, then it is very difficult. So how will you ensure that this file is 10 MB? You have to check that file. Say, for example, you have to right click, go to the properties, show more options, properties. You can check the file size. My file is only 201 KB. So this is very much useful for me to upload. No problem. I can upload it here. So you have to go to the tab. See, everything is live. I'm closing. I'm just minimizing. I'm going to the file and coming back. The screens are not closing. You can kept it always. So like that, it is easy for you. So now I have uploaded the assignment. You see the assignment file and the icon is also there. What is this icon meaning? I'm thinking that, okay, I have wrongly uploaded. So before submit, I can delete it. See, if I just click here, click the red button, it will get deleted. So then I'll go and check again the file. I can upload the proper file. This is directly you can click the submit button. But before clicking, if you feel that this assignment I have done only 2 pages, I have to check with my friends. I have some doubts and all. So again, you would have, you need not to come and upload everything. What you can do, you can say save it as draft. It will be asking, you want to submit the assignment or save it as draft. You can say yes, it will get submitted, or you can save it as draft. And one more option is also available. Your file is, say for example, it is beyond 10 MB. What you will do? You can again upload the same part for the same assignment. You can upload one more file. See, it will not restrict you. Again, you can say another 2 files. So one assignment, you have prepared a very long essay. The file size is huge, so you don't know what to do. You can split as 2 PDF, part 1, part 2. Assignment part 1, assignment part 2. For the same POD 102, for that same assignment, you can attach multiple files. Say for example, we want one more file to be added. Like that, you can add it. But please don't add 3 or 4, 5 files, because it will be miserably handled by the faculty. It is very difficult to go with the faculties, because when they view too many files, they will be having difficulty in validating. So my advice is that 1 or 2 files. So split into 2, you can upload and just do this. And then you can say submit. It will again ask you for the confirmation, because many students here, what they are doing, they are taking the wrong file. See, you have to rename the file properly. Assignment 1 POD, assignment 1, assignment 2, that POD subject code and the name, or you can give the subject code properly and put the subject number correctly and then start uploading it. So in order to confirmation, it is asking. After confirmation, what it is saying, assignment uploaded successfully. You see that submitted, this button has come. Okay, and you can see the number of files you have uploaded here. The name will be changing because it has been submitted in the server. That is why the name has been changed. So don't worry about, sir, I have submitted one file, it is showing different file name. Don't worry about that. You submitted 2 files, it has taken. Till it was in the draft, you were seeing the name of the file. Once submitted, the sequence number has been changed according to the server capability. So the file name is changed, and now I'm confirmed that my assignment got submitted. What you have to do? Again, you have to go for the other assignments. So you can come and see that before that there was no files, 0 files. Now it is showing files. Okay, don't bother about 1 or 2, don't worry about it. It is showing files. That is more important. Again, you come to the dashboard, you will see that MOD POD0. If I am again going to click the POD01, you can see that one more file is been attached. Then you can go and attach the other files. Say for example, you can describe here and you can go and click the other files to upload. So like this, you can upload the assignments without any problem. Submit, yes, finished. You see submitted, file name got changed, don't worry, finished. You are submitted the assignment. Like that, you can easily upload all the assignments which is related to this semester. So like that, if your class is not showing, say what happens when my subject is not showing here. Say for some people are complaining, sir, cyber security, I am not showing, I'm not seeing cyber security, I'm not seeing artificial intelligence. This because you are using the mobile browser. What happens is that if I'm going to open like this on my mobile, it will take me to the bottom, which is very difficult for you to scroll and see and go to the bottom and see. That is why, we are advising not to use the mobile browser. Say for example, if you simulate this browser itself for mobile, I'll show you. This is how it will be seen on the mobile. See the maximum thing. So when you want to scroll down here, you have to scroll down all the way. You will be finding very difficulty to submit the assignment. In order to solve this problem, what we have done is that if you go to Google Play Store, I'm just going to Google Play Store, you will have the Odisha State Open University app. So since I have already taken the link, it is showing directly. Wait, I will show you. This is a Play Store if you open. Okay, just you have to click here, search button, and say OSOU app. See, it is coming here. See, you will get that OSOU, Odisha Open University app. So you can install in your mobile app. So if you are using your mobile, please don't use the mobile browser, because I told you, it will go very small space, scroll down, and it will be very difficult for you to search the files in the mobile and find it out. So it's better always use this mobile app. This mobile app will help you better. And the next video, I'm going to put the how to use the mobile app also. I'll be explaining. So this is all about the assignment submission. See, be careful that if you consider this is the private or public place where you are accessing the internet center and all, kindly log out. And log out and see to that nothing is here. If you have something here, delete it and make it free, so that other people will not be coming and checking all these things here. So I think you are able to understand that if you can retrieve email, you can use forgot for option, retrieve enrollment number, and then put your email or your enrollment number or email ID. You can put both and you can sign in and get inside. So in that way, this submission of online assignment is very easy. At the same time, if anybody is facing problem because of your mobile browser is very small, you are unable to. That is why we are getting the doubts from the student that, sir, I submitted one assignment, the next assignment I am not able to submit, because they got confused with the size of the browser. No, see, when I show you again, it will be shrinking like this. Say if this is itself, this site is responsive, is okay. But when you log in, you'll find very difficult to put it in the small ways how to upload and all. So it is always better that we have the OSOU come up with the mobile app. You can download that or you can submit it here. So I think by this you will be very clear on how to upload the assignments in the portal.